Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x12 scale diecast model of Kawasaki Ninja H2R, and it is available in two scales, 1x18 and 1x12 by my store. So I bought the 1x12 from hobbytoys.co for 750 rupees, and you can also get free shipping by using this code SP444. I will provide both the code and the link of this website in the description of this video. And we also made a miniature dealership for this model. So if you want to see how you can make a diorama for your model, you can click the link on the top right corner. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and next week I'm going to upload something amazing, so stay tuned for that. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.